Rectus sheath. The rectus sheath is an aponeurotic sheath enclosing the rectus abdominis muscle on the either side of the linea alba. It is derived from the aponeurosis of the flat muscles of the anterior abdominal wall. The functions of rectus sheath include checking the bowing of rectus abdominis muscle during its contraction and hence increasing its efficiency, maintaining the strength of the anterior abdominal wall. Features. Number 1. The rectus sheath presents anterior and posterior wall. The anterior wall is complete and covers the entire extent of the muscle longitudinally from upper end to the lower end. The posterior wall is deficient above and below and hence doesn't cover the entire extent of the muscle longitudinally. Above it is attached to the postal margin of 7th, 8th, 9th postal cartilages, and thus muscle lies directly on the 5th, 6th, 7th postal cartilages. Below it presents a free curved margin with concavity facing inferiorly called arcuate line, the line of Douglas between the umbilicus and the pubic symphysis. Below this level, muscle lies directly on the fascia transversalis. The anterior wall of rectus sheath is firmly adherent to the tendinous intersections of rectus abdominis, where its posterior layer is free from the muscle. Now, formation. The formation of the rectus sheath differs from above downwards as follows. Above the level of costal margin, anterior wall is formed by the aponeurosis of external oblique only, and the posterior wall of the rectus sheath is deficient and the muscle lies directly on the 5th, 6th and 7th costal cartilage. Number 2. Between the costal margin and the arcuate line, anterior wall of the rectus sheath is formed by the fusion of aponeurosis of external oblique with the anterior lamina of aponeurosis of internal oblique, and the posterior wall of rectus sheath is formed by the fusion of aponeurosis of transverse abdominis and the posterior lamina of aponeurosis of internal oblique. Below the level of arcuate line, the anterior wall is formed by the aponeurosis of all three flat muscles. The aponeurosis of transverse abdominis and internal oblique are fused, but the aponeurosis of external oblique remains separate, and the posterior wall is deficient. Now, contents of the rectus sheath. The rectus sheath contains the following structures: two muscles, rectus abdominis and the pyramidalis. Two arteries, superior epigastric and inferior epigastric. Superior epigastric and inferior epigastric. Two veins, superior epigastric vein and inferior epigastric vein. 6 nerves, terminal parts of the lower 6 thoracic nerves, including lower 5 intercostal nerves and the subcostal nerve.
Thank you.